A big warning for you. Have you heard the horror stories of how some of the most popular, widely used video hosting platforms like YouTube and Vimeo are sticking it to their customers, either demanding pay increases or threatening the removal of videos and even closing entire accounts? It's true. In fact, my business took a major hit last year because my video hosting company did just that. They demanded more money and disrupted our service totally, leaving revenue-generating videos unplayable. Now my team and I were left scrambling to find all the pages with the videos not working. We're talking dozens and dozens of videos that were all of a sudden gone from their pages. Poof, just like that. The more pressing challenge, of course, where do we go to host those videos? YouTube? Well, YouTube is free, but every single video view is an opportunity for someone else to steal your traffic with an ad. We definitely weren't going to do that. Another big box service? Well, we could pay an arm and a leg monthly charges and still risk them disrupting our service sometime in the future. No thank you to that either. The more we looked, the more we realized there just wasn't a great video hosting solution out there that checked all the boxes. We needed fast, reliable, and affordable hosting that could accommodate our high demand and large number of videos. There was nothing out there. Hello, I'm Todd Gross, and across the web, I'm known as the video marketing guy or the green screen guy. Video is my thing. I have decades of on-camera experience, starting as a meteorologist. Now, I covered weather in Boston for over 20 years and even broadcast on stations such as CNBC and The Today Show for several major weather events. In 2006, I transitioned to internet marketing, primarily in the video niche. And I've been doing that ever since, specializing in bringing the best video tools and technology to the market, to you. Now, there have been hundreds of video software, apps, and services that I've tested, that I've used, and that I've endorsed over the years. But there's one type of service that stands out as the most basic, the most important, the most needed for anyone using video on the web. You guessed it. Video hosting. And you know what? For being a service that is needed for anyone wanting to share videos online, there isn't a single solution without a major caveat. YouTube shuts down accounts, drives traffic away with ads. Vimeo costs hundreds, raises prices astronomically, and even shuts down accounts as well. I know that firsthand. Other providers are too expensive, slow, unreliable, or all of the above. Wouldn't you think the most important need for every video on the web would be a fail-safe, fast, reliable solution, but that's affordable for everyone? With 85% of business owners failing in the first year, we decided that we needed to cut through the clutter and present a solution that can replace all complicated video marketing and hosting tools that charge recurring fees and give you the very best, because when it comes to your video marketing, you need the best. Proudly presenting VidHost Pro. It's a blazing fast video hosting, video player, and marketing technology, all at a one-time only investment. VidHost Pro is a must-have video tool for every marketer and online business owner in 2023 to play high-definition videos with no delays in 3 easy steps. First, upload 1 or more videos at a time, and VidHost Pro moves into action to optimize them for faster delivery on any device. Second, customize the look and feel of your video and player to your brand. Monetize with your affiliate link, lead forms, or sell your products or services from right inside your video. And 3, publish your high-def videos on any page and profit while your customer is engaged and the sales roll in. No installation, no coding or designing or other techie stuff. In less than 2 minutes, you can publish videos anywhere on the internet and start getting more eyeballs and more customers glued to it. Super fast delivery, after all, time is money. No buffering, no delay. So you get more visitor engagement, sell more products or services, and get more customer satisfaction. VidHost Pro is a proven solution that has already processed 88,202 videos with over 60 million video views and over 12 million minutes of watch time as of this recording. It is massive. This is the same proven technology that has saved thousands of dollars that many users would have otherwise paid to expensive monthly services like Wistia, Vimeo, Vidyard, etc. Saved huge amounts of traffic that many marketers would have lost due to leaking to ads and related video suggestions shown by YouTube. Generated lots of leads, sales, and commissions and profits that competitors would have gained due to slow loading or buffering of videos elsewhere. Let's have a closer look at how it can skyrocket your results and help your business overcome challenges faster. You can upload all your sales, training, and client prospecting videos. You could publish your videos on any page with one line of embed code. You could capture unlimited leads and sales. You get free hosting, up to 250 gigabytes of bandwidth per month for a one-time only price. You will maximize your visitor engagement with ad-free videos. You'll have 100% control of your traffic. You can completely customize your video player for an elegant look. And your HLS, meaning HTTPS live streaming player, is perfectly optimized to work on all devices, and it's 100% mobile responsive. Isn't it amazing? And that's not all. You will be getting video chapters to make things easier to explain. Embed entire playlist to any page to use as a course or training for visitors. Done-for-you video ads templates to sell, promote, or collect leads right inside your video player. Stunning promo and social templates for extra monetization and traffic. Full-feature drag-and-drop editor to edit templates in a few clicks. Capture thumbnails from your videos or upload your own. Autoplay, unmute, and mute for your sales videos. Yeah, you can autoplay. Check visitor activity on your viral video page. Add unlimited videos in 8 different formats, HDR supported. Seamless integration with top autoresponders. And it's 100% newbie friendly with the easy-to-use dashboard. Plus tons of cool features to captivate your visitors with your videos. You get all of this, and you don't even need to purchase a domain. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform, and most importantly, you'll be hosting your videos on a platform built by video marketers. No hoops to jump through here. The price is really low, and of course the reliability undeniable. It's video marketers, us, building this for you. Heck, in fact, you could contact me or Amit directly with any issues, and we're on it. Try that with YouTube. You're not going to get that anywhere else. No matter if you're an affiliate selling products, services, or online courses, or providing training to customers for better relationships, whatever your goal is with your videos, videos play an important role just about everywhere to boost your profits, so VidHost Pro is a must-have solution. But get this, not only is VidHost Pro push-button easy, but you also get a commercial license which allows you to use this with your clients. Think about that. You could charge them monthly for your services. Not bad. Time to stop wasting your hard-earned money on recurring platforms and get VidHost Pro for a one-time only fee, just once, but only during this 6-day launch period. After that, it's going back to its rightful monthly price. So go for this one-time investment fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab complete access to this absolutely ultimate video hosting and marketing platform, the ultimate solution. On behalf of me and my partners, Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh, let me congratulate you on grabbing VidHost Pro and proving that you are a very, very smart video marketer. The VidHost Pro team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.